Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are safe and doing well. In today's video, I show you how I made super cute wall decor for my master bathroom water closet using these small 8x8 Dollar Tree canvases. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. I'm starting off with this 11x14 Dollar Tree canvas board and my first 8x8 canvas. Here, I'm using an X-Acto knife to remove the canvas photo from its frame. I then cut away the folded edges from my image. Next, I used generous amounts of Mod Podge to adhere the image to the center of my 11x14 canvas board. I then covered my entire canvas board with more of the Mod Podge. I then painted around my image with thin coats of pearl white and champagne gold acrylic paint. I used the same paintbrush to alternate between those two colors until I got the shade I was looking for. As you can see, these Dollar Tree images have gold foil, so this gold leaf that I already had at home will accent these pieces perfectly. To seal my gold leaf, I'm adding a final coat of the Mod Podge. I repeated those same steps for 2 additional canvases. I'm adding the paint and the gold leaf to match my personal style, but as you can see, these look very lovely with the white canvas background. If you decide to recreate these, you can add as little or as much as you'd like. Once I added the top layer of Mod Podge to my 2 additional canvases, I allowed all 3 canvases to dry for about 2 hours. to hide the separation of the two canvases, I'm adding single rows of this gold Dollar Tree pearl wrap. Once I was happy with my final designs, I allowed them to dry overnight. I think that these 11 by 14 canvases turned out super cute. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, Dazzlers, bye.